Dear students, welcome to Growth Hormone Part 1. Today we will discuss about the introduction, synthesis and release of growth hormone. As we all know, growth hormone is the major hormone released from the anterior pituitary. But before that, hypothalamus release growth hormone, releasing hormone GHRH, which act on anterior pituitary via hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal vessels to the anterior pituitary or adenohypophysis, having a somatotrophs acidophilic cell which constitute 40 to 50% of total cells of adenohypophysis and releases growth hormone. Another name, because released from somatotrophs, is the somatotropin, and it is also called as somatotropic hormone. Somatotropic hormone. So growth hormone, somatotropin or somatotropic hormone. Now, basic about the biosynthesis and chemistry. Location for the gene is on the long arm of chromosome 17. Chemistry, single chain 191 amino acid, right? So it is a protein hormone with molecular weight of 22,000, right? So this is in brief about the biochemistry, right? Species specificity. Monkey and human have somewhat similar chemical structure for the growth hormone. Now the normal value of the growth hormone. Growth hormone is pulsatile hormone which increases particularly during deep sleep or exercise and many other factor we will discuss later, but in short it is pulsatile. But according to age, if we measure growth hormone level during childhood and adolescent period, it is maximum in concentration, that is during 5 to 20 year it is 6 nanogram per ml. It is 6 nanogram per ml. During this time period of life, there is maximum growth in form of increase in height, organ growth occur. That's why there is maximum concentration of growth hormone. And as the age advance, after 20 year, growth hormone concentration gradually decreases, that is 20 to 40 year almost decrease half, that is 6, that is from 6 to 3 nanogram per ml. 40 to 60 again reduce from 3 to 1.5 to 1.6 nanogram per ml. Half life of this growth hormone is 6 to 20 minutes and daily output is 0.2 to 1 milligram per day. So in the childhood and adolescent period, concentration of growth hormone is high, maximum, because maximum growth occurs during this period of life. And as the age advances, the concentration of growth hormone gradually decreases. So this is from today's lecture, introduction and basic aspect of the growth hormone. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan to all the students.